John Calvin, Institutio Christianae Religionis, 1536, Episode 9. Quod accepere iubet significat nostrum esse. Quod manducare iubet significat unam nobiscum substantiam fieri. In order to get the context for this lesson, you'll need to watch the previous episode. We take quod here to mean the fact that, as it often means, the fact that he orders us to take it, and the it here is hoc corpus, because the Lord says in the institution of the supper, "This is my body, take, eat." The fact that he orders us to take it indicates that it is ours, nostrum esse. Significat here introduces indirect statement, otherwise known as oratio obliqua. The subject of the indirect statement is nostrum, and the verb is esse. We might take actually nostrum as the predicate of esse, and the subject being the implicit hoc signifies that this thing, or indicates that this thing, esse, is ours, nostrum. In any event, nostrum is neuter, singular, and accusative. It must be accusative not because it's the object of any verb, but because it is the predicate of the subject of esse, and the subject of an infinitive must always be accusative. The second portion, the fact that he orders us to eat of it, quod manducare iubet, manducare is first conjugation, accepere is third, so the fact that he orders us to eat of it, manducare, or to chew, indicates, signifies that it is one, it is becoming, I should say, fieri, unam substantiam, one substance, with us. Significat again introduces oratio obliqua, indirect statement, the subject of which is once again hoc, or hoc corpus, this body. From hoc corpus est meum, this is my body. That's the subject. Fieri is the infinitive. This is the irregular verb fio. It is regularly the passive of facere, as it is here, so not to be but to become, indicates, or not to make but to become, indicates that it, meaning this body, is becoming fieri, unam substantiam. Unam substantiam is feminine, singular, and accusative. It is accusative because it is the predicate of hoc, which is, as I've said, implicit, and hoc is accusative because it's the subject of the infinitive. The last little portion that we have to deal with is the nobiscum. Nobiscum is simply the preposition cum with the ablative nobis, which can then be written nobiscum, and nobis is masculine plural, and ablative it refers to all believers.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.